Hello, I'm Ariana with Current Energy. Current Energy specializes in building solar energy systems exclusively for commercial property owners like you. Today, I want to show you some of the different methods you can use to acquire a solar energy system for your commercial building. Number one, and most obvious, is to pay cash for a system. Number two, you can finance a system. Number three, you can do a power purchase agreement. And number four, you can lease your rooftop to a solar developer like Current Energy. Each one of these methods has advantages and disadvantages. Let's take a look at each one in detail. The advantages of a cash purchase are lower energy costs, system ownership. You will receive all the available government tax credits equaling 70% savings or more. And since there's no financing, you attain the fastest return on investment. The solar energy system adds considerable value to the building without raising property tax. If you sell the building, the new owner does not have to qualify or assume the finance or lease payments. The disadvantages are you must invest a large amount of capital to pay for the system. Now let's take a look at the second purchase option, financing. The advantages of financing are avoid having to invest a large amount of capital, lower energy costs, ownership of the system. You will receive all the available tax credits up front, which means positive cash flow in the first year. The solar energy system adds considerable value to the building without raising property tax. The disadvantages of financing are you must make a monthly loan payment, including interest. You will experience a longer wait for your return on investment. When selling the building, the new owner must qualify to assume the financing, or you as the seller must buy out the system. Now let's take a look at the third purchase option, the power purchase agreement, or PPA. With the power purchase agreement, the building owner enters a long-term agreement, typically 15 to 20 years, with the solar developer. The developer pays all costs and owns and maintains all the solar equipment on your facility. You will pay a predetermined dollar per kilowatt hour rate for all of the electricity produced by the solar energy system throughout the term. This energy rate cost is lower than what you would have paid directly to the utility. The advantages of the power purchase agreement are lower energy cost, zero out-of-pocket expense. The system is maintained and warranted by the developer. The disadvantages are no ownership of the system, no tax credits or depreciation. Energy savings are not as high as ownership. When selling the building, the new owner must be qualified to assume the PPA, or you as the seller must buy out the solar system. Now let's look at the fourth purchase option, the Feed-In Tariff roof lease. With a Feed-In Tariff roof lease, the solar energy developer agrees to lease the building owner's rooftop for a guaranteed amount with a long-term commitment, often 20 years. The developer owns, maintains, monitors, and insures the system. The developer will also be responsible for preparing, fixing, or replacing the building's rooftop to ensure stability and longevity for the life of the system. The advantages of leasing your rooftop to a solar developer are no out-of-pocket expenses, guaranteed lease payment with a 20-year commitment to offset energy costs. The developer installs, maintains, manages, warranties, and insures the system. Potential free roof renovation or replacement. Potential free amenities like carports and car chargers. Your roof changes from a liability to an asset. The disadvantages of a roof lease are no ownership of the system, no government tax credits, which could have paid up to 70% of the system. And those are the four most common methods for acquiring solar power. Give Current Energy a call today and we'll help you take advantage of tax incentives that generate huge discounts on your new solar system, reduce your reliance on the grid, protecting you from rising energy costs, increase your property's value by making it more attractive to potential buyers or tenants, and finally, use solar energy to promote your commitment to the environment, which can improve your brand. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope to talk to you soon.